Okay, so here's the wrap-up of the visual test of the Shark Navigator versus the Dyson DC25. Again, we get that question a lot: is which, is the Shark as good as the Dyson? So we're trying to give you as good of a visual representation as possible. So let's get down here, get everything focused, and we're going to compare them side by side. Again, each carpet on the right and the left are the exact same carpet, except for the color is a little different. So we're going to pan over these. As we pan over them, just try to see if there is much of a difference in terms of how much was actually picked up. And we'll kind of show you both of these side by side, and then we'll zoom in on each one individually and take you through that. Just to give you a quick minute or so representation. But as you can see, actually, just looking at it like this, they actually look pretty similar on us. So let's get down closer and see if we see anything different. So again, the Shark here is on the right. Now we're going to the Dyson. This is the thickest pile carpeting. A few small flecks in kind of both of these, but visually, at least, they both look excellent. On this one, it appears to be a little lighter on the Dyson side, but that may be because of the actual coloring of the carpet. On this one, the Shark looks a little whiter. You can see that white streak a little more, a few flecks. But I think the white streak actually has to do more with the actual carpet color again. So from inspection, from a visual inspection, they both look fairly similar, and they both look fairly, like excellent vacuums. So let's take a look at the measurements then and see what the final conclusion is.